Isn't she cute? Hi loves, welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share so you can keep coming back and getting all the love that you need from me and more. Loves, how are y'all doing? I hope all is well. I hope you're doing okay. Something that I was telling a friend earlier this week is that with everything going on in this world, please find joy and happiness in the small things that you do each and every day that brings you joy. Like for me, when I make my coffee, it brings me joy. When I do my skincare, it brings me joy. When I just walk outside and stand and take in some of the sun and just woosah, it brings me joy. Sometimes getting in my car and going riding and just listening to music loud as I want to brings me joy. So whatever it is that brings you joy, I just want you to like amplify it by 10,000 and just make sure that you enjoy the moment because it's a lot going on. But anyways, I came to y'all to talk about this headband wig from Hergivenhair company. Do y'all see it? Do you see her? Isn't she cute? I wish that I had something like this when I was first diagnosed with alopecia back in like 2010, because I think that this would have saved me a lot of heartache, a lot of stress, a lot of worry, and it just would have been easier for me to deal with. Like, I didn't have anything back then that I felt like was like a get up and go type of hairstyle. And I felt like alopecia robbed me of that get up and go feeling. One of my confessions as an alopecia girly is that I miss when I had a full head of hair that I can just throw in a ponytail or brush or comb real quick for that get up and go. Like I need to rush and I'm rushing out the house and boom, I can just do something quick. Alopecia made me feel like I could no longer do that. You know, like, yeah, it's easy to throw on a hat, but even with a hat, I felt like, oh, but I need to look a certain way. I need this to look a certain way so it doesn't just look like I just threw on this hat and I'm just out here looking crazy. Like, alopecia really took those moments from me. Way back in the day when I used to allow alopecia to stop my show. But now, I simply don't allow it to. But on top of that, this wig is my get up and go. Like I said, this is a headband wig from Hergivenhair company. And let me just show y'all a couple of things about it. All right. One, they upgraded their headband wigs. So I'm so happy they upgraded, like this adjustable headband. They upgraded this headband to make it a lot smoother. So it's not causing friction, tension. It's not pulling. It's not doing anything in the back. If you have hair like I do, you know, some of those headbands can be very irritating and it's pulling on your hair. We don't need none of that. So I love the fact that this does not do that for me, okay? They also updated the actual headband on the wig. So now it's a lot smoother and breathable. So it's not causing friction, tension, or pulling around your edges. And honey, my edges is finally coming in. So we real happy about that, okay? They also upgraded the way that they construct the wig, making it more breathable for your scalp, especially when we hit these hot months. Y'all, if you know, like I know, some wigs, it ain't even worth wearing in the summer because it's just too hot. But with this one, they've made it way more breathable where you are going to be able to rock this comfortably in the hot months. The wig also still comes with combs if you prefer to use those, or you can cut them out. I left them in just so I can show it to you all, but I'm going to cut them out because I don't use them. It also still comes with the adjustable drawstring so that you can adjust the wig to the size of your head. And this is something that I use. Now let me show you how easy it is for me to pop this baby on, okay? Look. Okay. I have a mirror right here, so forgive me. I'm just making sure it's on. That was under a minute for me to throw this bad boy on, okay? And today I'm not adding any water, any mousse or anything, but you can add all the things you want to do. You can do, you know, gel, you can twist it up and do whatever you want to do with these curls. These curls are a 3B, 3C curl, so you can do whatever you want to. And my wig is an 18-inch, but it also comes in a 14 and a 16-inch, so whatever you like. And this is also the color natural. You can get it pre-dyed by them to make it blacker if you want like a jet black wig. But I like their natural. It works for me. But yeah, It took less than a minute to throw this bad boy on. Then I just, you know, do my little drawstring to make it a little tighter. And I tuck it underneath the wig. And I'm done. Simple as that. And look, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. And that's what I really love. It is secure. And I feel secure. I love that. Also, you can style this wig however you would like to. Like, for instance, sometimes I like to take more hair from this side and bring it over here for like a little flip over action. Plus, I just love big hair, so I love this type of style with any of my curly wigs. But yeah, you can do that. You can do like a simple half up, half down ponytail situation. You can put some bantu knots right here if you want to. You can do whatever it is that your heart desires. And as always, you know your girl got a discount code for you, okay? Because in this economy, we all need to be saving a couple of coins. But also, please note that it is an affiliate discount link. So if you use it, I do receive a little coin myself. But if you don't feel comfortable using it, you don't have to. I want you guys to do what makes you feel comfortable, okay? It does not hurt me either way as long as you all are comfortable in the decision that you make. Just you being here, you know, being subscribed, liking, commenting, is enough for me. Like, I love y'all dearly. But yeah, if you want to get this headband wig, you can use my discount I can't even talk. You can use my discount code to save a little coin, okay? Because baby, one thing that I made a decision for 2025 is that alopecia will also not make me go broke. You know how I say alopecia does not stop the show? That is very true. But it also will not make me go broke. It will not. Not at all. Like, I personally ordered one of their other wigs that I need to show y'all as well that I love. And I used my discount code. I did. I did. Because I wanted to save. And then I just sent money back to myself. But hey, that's the way it works, okay? You gotta do what you gotta do. But anyways, loves, thank you so much for your love and continued support. I truly, truly appreciate it. And if this is your first time here, make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, and share so you can keep coming back and getting all the love that you need from me and more. And until next time, loves, bye.